One of the biggest issues that I think manufacturing is facing, period, is labor. This is the largest hardwood flooring plant in North America. We can receive up to 100 million board feet annually. We can produce up to 50 million feet of finished goods annually. We're 19 acres under roof, and we employ about 500 people. We knew that there was a lot of technology out there that we hadn't tapped into. There was some gains to be made.
We would have 3 stages of individuals making decisions manually that would impact how well we might process that material.
Because that costs the company a lot of money anytime you have to handle it twice.
You have a lot of room for inaccuracies. You have employee turnover where you're constantly training individuals. It's difficult in these times to get skilled people that can work a physical job for 8 or 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, and keep that going for years and years.
To get the plant and make it sustainable over time, we had to automate the plant to a certain extent. There were a lot of manufacturers at the time in the scanning industry. We exhausted everybody's, we went and saw everybody's that was available in the US and Canada. And when we landed with Eagle and MiCROTEC, it just put the whole system together. And it was user-friendly. And we had training that's only 4.5 hours away at Eagle. You know, change is a big thing. When you've done the same thing the same way for 30 years, they've been very gracious with their time, so it's been a good relationship.
Both Eagle and MiCROTEC are a phone call away. We can get in touch with them at any time. One of our goals with this was obviously to get the headcount reduction, just so that we could have a sustainable, viable operation going into the future. The scanner, without question, got us to the point where we could do that.
One, headcount is huge when it comes to being able to get the amount of volume that you need through a facility this size. So if it was taking us 21 people to run a line, now we can run a line with 12, 13 people.
We were at a staffing deficit so great that we did not lose a single person. Folks were transitioned over to other jobs, and the jobs that were eliminated were the ones that were more physically demanding and had a higher rate of injury.
I think it's going to give us the ability to staff up when we need to, and it doesn't take as many to staff now. So we can obviously increase volume with a lot less manpower than we could before. It's going to give us some more versatility going forward for sure.
With what we've implemented in the scanner technology, it positions us to be in a good outlook for the future. We continue to refine it. It continues to get better, and we continue to see more benefits from it.
It's not just a short game, but a long game that is going to help us over the years.